Morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Every day I know I will make money. Today is the day the Lord has made, and I will be glad in it. I know it's a money making day. Oh, money making day. I believe it's a money making day. Oh, money making day. If you believe it's a money making day, I believe it's a money making day. Morning, I say money making day. Money making day. Yeah, money making day. Money making day is a money making day. Do you believe that today is a money making day? Oh, I said, do you believe? If you believe, let me know that you believe. Do you believe that is a money making day? Stantec, I see you. Do you believe that today you will make more than 10x? I say, do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe it's a money making day? Road, where do you think you buy from? We buy from the lows of the market so that we can have a very nice entry. So, in about less than 1 hour, uh, the news is going to be released in less than 1 hour. I'm just trying to set all my accounts up. You can see I'm trading like four different, it's five account. I'm going to make money. I'm setting all of them up for the grind. I'm setting all of them up for the grind. And today, if you have $100, you can turn that $100 to 3,000. Mark my words. You can turn that $100 to $3,000. Inshallah. But make sure your broker gives you some good leverage. If your broker can give you some good leverage, that is very powerful. If your broker can give you a good leverage, it's very powerful. But if your broker doesn't give you a good leverage, then I'm sorry, you can't make enough. A moment, I'm trying to set my account up. I'm trying to set it up so that I can share the entire screen. A moment, I'm coming. A moment, okay? Just give me a few minutes. I want to log in into this account. So. MT5. Okay, good. Guys, let me stop sharing my screen. I'm logging in so that you guys will not see my password. Or what do you think? It is very necessary. So forgive me. I'm coming. Let me log in into the account, then we can vibe. Or what do you think? Before by the time I'll see somebody has logged into my account and blew the account. Hope you can see my screen, or you can see my screen. Let me check before let me check. Oh, okay, good. You can see it. I'm coming. Because if you can see it, there are some of you I don't trust you. Not all of you. Some of you I don't trust you. I don't trust you at all. You yourself, you don't trust yourself. Talk of me to trust you. You can be like, oh, rude. I'm almost done, okay? I'm almost done. Almost done. Almost. Almost done. The moment you hear pling, pling, then it means I've logged in. I'm almost done. I'm trying to log in on the device laptop so that whatever execution I'll do, you guys will be able to.
Incoming mail.
Good. I think I'm in now. I think I'm in now. So I think I'm in now. All right. Mm, all right. So now, since I'm in, let me share the entire screen so that you guys will have access to everything that I'm going to be doing today. I want to share the entire screen so that you guys will have access to all that I'll be doing today. Can't see your screen. Yes, I was logging in into my account. That was the reason why you couldn't see. I was trying to log in into my trade account. Are you ready? But okay, you can see my screen now. Hope you can see my screen now. Everybody, can you see my screen now? All right, so today is going to be money making day, as I said. So get ready to make money. I want to move $100 to 5,000 today. I want to move $300 to somewhere $6,000 today, or even $10,000. I want to do that challenge today. I want to do that challenge today, inshallah. If you ask me by yourself, which means you are not following me. Eh? I have already posted it on my TikTok, which I think that post has gone viral. So yeah, over 30. I posted it on my TikTok. So go on my TikTok and go and check. So if you don't know what we are doing, then you are not following. I'm just here because I want to trade with you guys. If not, I've already given the prediction. I'll just go and relax. But I want to trade with you guys. Okay, so with my people in there, let me send some links to my people. Let them also connect via Google Meet. Let's trade live. Let me send it to them. Copy. Send it to them. Join. 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 And where again? Cash out circles. Join. So let me log in faster. How possible is it, road money? You let's but we are all here. We are all here. Let's see how it goes. My people, can you hear me? Those of you on Google Meet, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, great.
And we can hear you, but we can't see your screen.
It's because I'm showing the screen on YouTube as well. Let me try to
Oh,
share
okay.
it and see. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's see how it goes. Do, 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 do. All right, so guys, this is what we'll be doing. I'm just waiting for gold to come a little lower. Then we can start pumping. Hey, my boss, it has been like 40 years now since I saw you, Mr. Antin. So listen to me, guys. This is what is going to happen. What I expect happening on this CPI news that we're going to be trading. So the news. Let's check the time of the news. So the news is expected at 12:30 p.m. Ghana time, which is about less than 15 minutes, about 41 minutes from now. The news will be released. Okay, so which is the core monthly, core yearly, and unemployment claims. So previously, unemployment was somewhere around 225K. Forecast is around 230K. Looking at the figures and looking at the structures of the market, the dollar has been buying for some time now. The dollar, I'm doing good, my boss. I'm doing good. The dollar has been buying for some time now. Let's look at it from the daily candle so that we will really know what we are doing. So the dollar has been buying for some time now, which you can't say the dollar is bearish, the dollar is bullish, okay? The dollar is bullish. However, with what is happening with the US economy, with the news that, the hurricane news and everything, we are to expect the dollar CPI to sell on the dollar to retrace a little before a continuation of the move of the dollar. So what we're going to see when it comes to the news is that the news is going to spike up, touch certain levels on gold. Then after that, we'll see a major drop, and that is how we are going to trade it. So we that is why I said you can make $5,000 with $100. So with the news, if market is able to come to these lows, if market is able to come to these lows, we'll be buying from these lows all the way to the highs of 40. So we'll be buying all the way to the highs of 40. And exactly from that highs, I am expecting a major rejection from that high. Exactly. So I'm expecting something like this from 2000. 605, 6, 7 thereabout. So that is where I'm expecting to enter the market at. Okay. If everything be equal, a market comes to that point, fine. If it doesn't come to that point, we'll do with execution. But if it comes to that point, that is where we are going to execute. We're going to execute something like this somewhere here, all the way to somewhere here, faking it out. Then we'll see a major rejection all the way to this point. So what does it mean? It means that when you are trading on CPI, make sure that you have a TP and make sure that you have an SL. And my SL is going to be very, very tiny. My SL is going to be very, very tiny. I'm not going to have more than 25 pips SL on it. That is why I wanted to calm down a little. If it comes to somewhere the 6-7, we'll be able to execute somewhere the 6-7. Then we will fly all the way to the early 40s. So me, I'm targeting the buys 300 pips on the buys. Okay, I'm targeting 300 pips on the buys. So after the buy, we have a major move. So that is something like this on the dollar. Let me show you something like this. It's going to be very, very smart and very, very quick and very, very sharp. Something like this on the dollar. So I'm expecting the dollar to sell to this point. Okay, that is about 130 pips drop on the DSY. Then we'll see it fly. So this is the move I am expecting on the dollar. Okay, any question? Those of you on the meeting, any question? So today, if it plays out to be like that, we are going to make $300, 300 pips plus somewhere when we are able to catch this one. When we are able to catch these ones, let's say from somewhere this highs as well, all the way to this low, that is about 400 pips as well. But we are coming to this point, that is 500 pips. So everything being equal, today we might get somewhere around 700 to 800 pips if it plays out so. So 700 to 800 pips if you are rexing 10% of your account and you take the first trade, that is a risk reward, maybe 1 is to 10, 1 is to 10 reward ratio, you'll be making somewhere 10x on your account. Then you risk about 20% of the profit. Then you take the sales as well from the highs of 40. So the sales, if we are taking the sales, you are taking the sales from these highs. So that is why your trade should come with the TP. You are taking the sales from these highs. So the reason why market will grab this, okay, the technical analysis, the market needs to come and grab this. But CPI, because it's news, market will come and grab this order here, this sell pressure here. Then from there, it will drop. And that is the explanation I gave of the dollar as well. Market is going to come and grab this. Then from there, massive rejection upwards. So let's see how it's going to go. We have about 35 minutes more into the news for us to see how it's going to play. Understand that don't risk what you are not willing to lose. News is risky. Whatever you put on, make sure it is something you are willing to risk before you put that lot size. It's either you go hard or you go home because you want to buy a Lamborghini. So it's either you go hard or you go home. Make sure you are risking what you are willing to lose. Do you copy that? So for instance, with the account I'm trading with, it is full margin. Okay, I'm going full margin on all the account because it is something that I'm willing to risk. When it comes to risk management, okay, risk management, you must be willing to risk something before you place it on. So for instance, road, I'm going full margin on this account number one. Those of you on, you can see I'm going full margin on this account. This account, few seconds into news, I'm going full margin on this account. I'm also going full margin on an account here, 2K account. I'm going full margin and I'm having 500 also full margin. I'm having 200 also full margin. So on this four account, I am going full margin on each and every one of them because I'm willing to risk. If it goes well, we make millions. We make millions of cities. We make thousands of dollars. Do you understand? Like NFP, for instance, NFP, you saw what I was able to make about 12x on NFP. So I was able to move an account balance of $134 to somewhere $1,400 and move $300 to somewhere $2,000 plus. So let's see how this is also going to play out. Then at the end of the day, we'll give Jah the praise. We'll give Jah the praise. So those of you on TikTok, those of you on YouTube, I'm sending you a link right now. Join the meeting so that you can see my entire screen. Those of you on YouTube, I'm sending you a link right now. Join. Let's trade there. Okay.